The Adplexity Spying Wiki, the most comprehensive step-by-step tutorial in 2021. 8 top spying strategies exposed. Want to know how other affiliates are making money? What ads, landing pages they are using? What offers they are promoting? In this Adplexity guide, you will learn it all. Spying is a must in 2021 and beyond. If you don't spy, you could very easily blow thousands of dollars of your hard-earned money promoting an offer on the wrong traffic source that will never convert no matter how awesome the offer, angle, or landing page is. You usually need to eliminate the guesswork and maximize your chances of success. Especially now, during these hard times we're living in thanks to the corona pandemic that has brought on a major change where millions of people are now out of work and seeking work-at-home job opportunities and exploring the idea of becoming internet marketers themselves. If you want to stay ahead of the game and actually make money in this affiliate space, you need to be very well informed. Spy tools make this possible for an affordable price. Even though some might say, OMG, it's so expensive, $250 for a spy tool, that isn't expensive. That's an investment that will help you save $1,000s of money. So you won't lose it all doing stupid shit and taking uncalculated risks you don't need. How to find everything a specific affiliate is running on native using their affid footprint. If you want to find all the ads, learn about which placements these ads show up for a specific affiliate, this is how it's done. Find an affiliate worthy of spying. You do this by logging into native.adplexity.com and on the left toolbar, select Last 7 days. Select the traffic source, Rev Content in my case. Then on the top right, sort it by Receive the most traffic. Now look for an ad in your vertical. In my vertical it's lead gen. So I naturally looked for ads that are for lead gen and found this ad. Click through on the campaign link, Prelander, and find an affid in the URL bar on the offer page as follows. Clicking in the link inside Adplexity took me to this Prelander. I clicked the CTA button and was redirected to the offer. On the offer URL, I looked in the address bar and found the info I need. That affid in this case is 1561. Now that you have the affid, we need to go back to Adplexity and on the top menu bar select by advertiser and from the search and dropdown select all of the above, then type the aff equals 1561 into the enter the query box and hit the search button. Here's all the ads from the aff equals 1561 ID. When the footprint you use is broad, the results won't be 100% accurate, so you need to append more from the offer link. In this specific affiliates campaigns, adding aff equals 1561 and sub equals MFRB auto native will produce way better results than the broad method. And there you have it. Now you can see all the ads that this affiliate used and which ones were the best and ran the longest. Ripping and running won't make you easy money anymore in 2021 and beyond. You need to take the ads you found, get ideas, and make your own ads that are similar based on the best performers. How to find out which verticals, offers, niches are the most popular on a specific traffic source. Deciding which road you will take, and by road I mean traffic source, can be a make it or break it process. Take it from me, I spent $35,000 testing over 30 traffic sources that were unproven, only to lose $33,000 to find just one that showed some promise. That's how costly it is to test unproven traffic sources, and not for the faint-hearted. 98% of affiliate marketers prefer to pick a traffic source, then run offers proven to convert on those sources. How do you find out what works on a traffic source the best? Which vertical kills it and which one to avoid? You spy, because 9 out of 10 traffic sources, unless it's zeropark, will not tell you what offers to run or are doing well. I'm looking at EvaDAV to see exactly what kind of offers are running just on their traffic source by selecting it on the left menu inside Adplexity. How to find which traffic sources work best for my offer? Typed in the offer URL in the search by advertiser input box after selecting all of the above for URL to search under. Now here's where the magic happens. Based on the last 30 days data, this keto offer ran on Rev Content 80 and Content Ad 17. Since it was seen so many times on Rev Content, it'd make sense to start testing keto offers on that traffic source. Maybe not this one, and definitely not with the same stolen angles. but your own variations and angles. You have the offer name. You have the offer name but not the offer domain. This might happen, especially if the AM is sleeping and you don't want to wait 6-8 hours until they wake up, but you want to get a head start on competitive intelligence. In our case, we're going to be looking for this offer, Keto Pro X. We head into our trusty Adplexity spy tool, and we click on by keyword on the top. By default, it should have the search box set to on the landing page. We just paste the name of our offer in Keto Pro X and hit that trusty magnifying glass to begin our hunt, and bam! Just like that, we get hundreds of ads for the offer and quickly learn a ton of key stuff. This keto offer is most popular on iPhones and desktop Windows. Ngid and Content Ad is the best place to run this offer. Using a broad keyword, not my favorite, but it works. Let's say we want to promote financial lead gen from Supreme Media. You know those awesome Bitcoin offers. We have no idea what traffic source to run it on. So what do? We fire up our awesome spy tool, Adplexity, and type in some broad keywords. Here are some ideas. Bitcoin, crypto, investment. I've entered Bitcoin and already got back a ton of data showing me landers, angles, ad images that are working well. This is just one keyword I used. What I want to learn is which traffic source to test on. So again, I look in the left sidebar and observe what instances occurred the most times. If you want to try your luck with promoting financial lead gen, be sure to visit Supreme Media here. They are great people who always pay their affiliates. How to find landing pages for an offer that work. What kind of landing pages to use to promote a CPA offer? In this example, we're going to find push dating landing pages. We want to run on zeropark, a push traffic source, so we are going to spy and see what kind of landers people are running in the geo. Our CPA's network rep told us they have a high converting dating offer in 1. As usual, we log into our Adplexity push account. 2. We set the date for last 7 days and sort it by received the most traffic. This is done in the left and top menu bars. Next up, on the left menu bar, we need to our geo, Portugal, and then scan through the ads and open the ones that are dating ads, obviously, like so. Which ads are making the most money for an affiliate? Spying using their RedTrack/Volume, click links and find out. We're using Adplexity push for this, as I want to find out for an affiliate that's always on the first page of results when I sort by received most traffic, which campaigns/ads are doing the most volume for them, thus earning them the most money. 1. The URL I am spying on is the RedTrack click link placed on the pre-lander in their campaign, in this case, riftmobile.com/click.php. 2. Inside Adplexity push, I click on by advertiser on the top menu. On the left, select the period, this year, so January 1 today. Then I paste their click link, which is riftmobile.com/click.php with the HTTPS part removed. 3. Next, I sort the results by received the most traffic to see which one was their best performing campaign. Which affiliate offers are being run on a specific publisher in push. Let's say you ran some traffic, and now you got a list of awesome placements, but you want to learn more. What are others running on these placements? Maybe you are missing something that they aren't, so they are more profitable. Grab the publisher name from your traffic source. We've selected shared.com. Inside Adplexity push, click on by publisher in the top menu and paste the publisher name in the what ads run on box. In our case, we paste shared.com and press search. And that's it. Now you can get placement-specific ideas on what worked there and try and see how you can make money from verticals proven on that placement. How do I find what ads are being promoted on a specific website URL or placement/zone in native? Log into your Adplexity native account and select by publisher on the top menu. Paste the domain name, in our example, mirror.co.uk, and wait for it to populate. It will show the results soon, then sort by received the most traffic. We can right away see that an app like Honey gets the most traffic, followed by a game, a language learning gadget, more games, and stuff for seniors. You can get intel on what works by selecting the right period. For example, right now, because of coronavirus, games and other entertainment, and products that solve problems while being stuck at home are on the rise. Here's another example. Let's say we ran traffic and we see potential coming from a placement ID 680,530, We want to find out what other affiliates are promoting on this site. Maybe we can get some ideas on how to improve our own campaigns on there. How you find the ads and landing pages that are making money for the top offers you see on revenue or EPC reports from your CPA's network. For this example, we are going to take a look at 2 of the best performing offers from Ads Empire. Since these offers from Ads Empire are adult dating offers, I recommend using Adplexity Push or Adplexity Adult, because the most dating offers are on push and adult traffic sources. To get started, we need to first switch from searching by keyword to search by advertiser in the top navigation bar. Then select Search in all of the above and type in the offer name as a query. After that, Adplexity will show you ads that are promoting the offer you were searching for. Now what we want to know is which ones are the top performers. So first, let's set a data filter of last 30 days. Next, sort the ads by receive most traffic. By doing this, Adplexity will sort the ads by which ads or campaigns are doing the most volume for them. In other words, earning them the most money. Once you set all these, click through the first 5-10 ads that are doing the most volume to see what kinds of ad images, texts, and landers they are using. If you want to spy on adult traffic sources only, I recommend using Adplexity Adult. Adplexity Adult works just like any other Adplexity Push or any other Adplexity tool. So all you need is the offer name or the offer domain you want to spy on, and to follow the same steps we did above with Adplexity Push. Hope you find this detailed overview of how to use Adplexity Spy tool useful. Spying is crucial in affiliate marketing success. You can save a lot of time and money knowing what works and where. There are other great spy tools out there like Magic Ads for Facebook as well. Adplexity.com does a great job on native, push, e-com, and display. They also offer you carrier spying by providing VPN you can use to manually spy and see what kind of ads show up if you access different placements/websites through carrier IP. A lot of affiliate offers only target carrier specific, as that's the only way they can convert. Yes. If you need landing pages, creatives, complete websites done, be sure to check out www.bannerslenders.com. PPS. For translations, I recommend Transi, 50% cheaper than 1-hour translation.